All right, so I am doing my first screencast-o-matic video in a long time. It just makes me laugh because I haven't had needed to use this, but I'm excited to work you through the process. The reason I'm asking you to watch this video is so that I can sort you effectively into the right group, and I'll walk you through that process a little bit. But it all starts with being able to rename yourself. And I was in a jam and I didn't know, gosh, how to sort people into groups efficiently, given that I don't know yet how to create pre-designed breakout rooms in Zoom, which is a possibility if you have an Excel spreadsheet and you use CSV, and those are things I just hadn't quite gotten to yet. So I just used my friend Google, and sure enough, it gave me a good process. So I'm going to walk you through it right now. When you return to the Zoom meeting, you're going to find your name down under participants. If you want to write this down, that's cool. If not, that's fine too. You can always look for the video again, but look for your name under participants, click on that, and then what you'll find is that your name will pop up, and then right next to it will be two blue options. One will say more actually, and then you click on it and then it'll allow you to rename it. Please avoid your middle school mindset of wanting to put like Cinderella or I don't know, Luke Skywalker into your new screen name or whoever comes to mind. Instead, I'd like you to leave your name the same and just enter in your a certain code essentially right before that. And so that code I want to kind of walk you through is right here. So I want you to think through this process. In this session, you're going to put first a number for which article you read, and then you're going to put a letter responding which level you work at. E for elementary, H for middle school, M for middle school, H for high school, and then put a symbol if you want to give me some additional information. If you're wanting to do this activity individually, just put an asterisk. And I can imagine all kinds of reasons. We're at the end of 3 days of training on Zoom. So if you just kind of need a mental break and you just want to power through yourself, I feel like you can learn the material and still be successful. So just put an asterisk after those two, number and letter, and then an asterisk. If you're feeling like, hey, let's run, let's try something new, and you know, we won't get it all done because I don't think the time will allow it, but you'll get a chance to see what kinds of things you can attempt with your students. Put a plus after that if you're tech savvy. And if you're just feeling like you want to be in a group with other people who are strong with technology, you can put a minus. If you want to leave nothing also, that's fine too. Sort you into groups based on your article and the level you've read. So when you're done with that, it should look like something like that. So like if I've read level article 1, I used to teach the high school level, so I'd put an H and then a plus sign because I'm going to go for it. And if Kaisa was just not feeling it today, she would have, and read article 3, she'd put 3M and then just an asterisk, okay? So when you return, I shall sort you, but I needed you to have that information first so we could do it as efficiently as possible. Will you go ahead and stop watching this video and then jump into the Zoom call, and we'll see you then.